presentation you have a clear insight whether the concept of flash mob is a fad or a fab. I will tell you what are the disadvantages and advantages of a flash mob. As you all know, the Chronicles, the first flash mob, 2003, Manhattan, all credit goes to Bill Wasick, where around 250 people assimilated in Macy's departmental store asking for a love rug. Pinpoint a flash mob. A group of people who assemble suddenly in a public place perform an unusual and seemingly pointless act for a brief period of time and disperse for the purpose of entertainment and artistic expression. This is the Wikipedia definition. Now, what self-proclaimed experts like me think a flash mob is a group of people who suffer from histrionic personality disorder and want to go to a public place just to seek attention, aka drama queens. Who needs fans? The annual No Pants Tram Ride happening from last 10 years in London, where people travel without fans. And as I cracked my joke already, why do you want to reveal Victoria's Secrets? Thriller in Mexico City, a tribute to Michael Jackson, 13,957 people. A tribute to Michael Jackson on his 51st birthday, headed by a Michael Jackson doppelganger. For a social cause, pregnant women break dance in London 2008. This is for a social cause. The pregnant women in poorer countries do not get proper midwives, hospitals and medicines. Hence the flash mob to promote this cause. Flash mob beach in Australia, please Google it. Pro-gay rights, especially for Karan Johar. Worldwide pillow fight day, 5,000 people, 25 cities fighting on the pillows. Pros and cons. Each coin has a head and a tail. Playing the devil's advocate, not every flash mob is for a good cause. It can lead to big mayhems, and therefore we need to clearly differentiate between the two types of flash mobs. What forced me to take this topic is the resonance and the heartbeats of the people. Different people coming in all walks of life and performing together for a common cause. Now, as we come out of this fairy world, we see that there are assaults, robberies, mass murders in the name of flash mobs. And in this context, if this concept is used, whoever wins, we lose. Arranging a flash mob. With the 8:30 to 5:30 timings, PPP not included, no offense. But once you find a person with a common cause, I'm sure it will help to go further with it. The act, deciding what to do in a flash mob, it should represent the essence of your cause. Capture the columns of Shobha Dev, become cartoons for R.K. Lakshman. That will lead to a successful flash mob. Google, Orkut, Twitter, Google Plus. Everything is there to connect with and finding people with a common cause. With the endless smartphones, Android, gingerbread, muffins, what next? I don't know. We can do this. Now, organizing a flash mob can be a pain in the ass. Therefore, why don't you find a person who has a common cause, do a common flash mob with a dual cause, and therefore promote your own cause with it. Indianize the trend. Now, why do you need to Indianize the trend? This is a Western concept, and in everyday, in all the aspects of life, we find ourselves competing with the Western counterparts. This is an innovative concept. If we adopt it, we will be able to compete them as well as defeat with them. For that, we need to go desi. The first thing, when we hear India, the first thing comes in our mind is food. You attract people by food. शादी में जाना है, खाना है, अच्छा है, आजा. तो पनीर है, पानी पूरी flash mob, दही पूरी flash mob, why not? Confused between the left, center, local bill, what fronts are there? This flash mob will provide an innovative way to spread awareness among the youth of the country. Success till date, everyone has heard of the CST terminus. Let's go behind the scenes. 250 people practicing endlessly for 2 months, only for a performance of 5 minutes. Hats off to Shunal Kothari. Vision the future. For preventing it to become a fad, we need to improve it, mutate it imaginatively so not to bore people with it, come up with something amusing and not annoy the bystanders. And if you are organizing a flash mob, please come to me. I will help you with it. All the best.